12 years. Yeah. Early pair, 12 years. Ask your plug if your plug can do that.
Now tuned into the greatest.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Cakes coming at you with another video. Cause y'all know me. This is how I got a Jordan release 12 years before it released. People are gonna get mad at that. It's true, technically I do have the shoe that's gonna release in April now. It released, you know, 2009. You know, I know we just OGs in the game now. But we now have an official pictures of the Raging Bull 5. It is going to re-release April of 2021. This shoe released in 2009. And the video is mainly about, this is probably how Jordan Brand should do this from now on. Instead of giving us the Concords every 4 years, like instead of doing releases that drop and then in 4 years they drop again. Actually, here's a good example. The Carmines. These dropped in 2014. It doesn't feel that long ago. Also, if you look at my pair, absolutely flawless almost, other than the bottom. But I've worn this maybe 4 times. It's now re-releasing, and I feel like I just bought it. Like, I feel like this is not the pace that you should release shoes. It shouldn't be every 5 years. I do like the fact that this shoe hasn't released in that long. So you're hitting almost new generations of sneakerheads when you're allowing the shoe to age like this has. 12 years ago, when it dropped in a pack, and just crazy. And when you see these out right now, you know that, oh, I see that. Like that dude, he been in it, like he knows he knows the game. Jordan 5 Raging Bull. This shoe, 2009, and we got real suede on there. I know it's from 2009, so some of my suede spots are a little interesting. But yeah, so that's my thing. That I'm cool with it released in 2009. Now it's re-releasing. This, I don't know if we need to I don't know if we need to do it that fast at that pace. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know if any of y'all have the original shoe. You know, OGs, we in the building. But also young bulls, I'm with y'all too. And I want y'all to have that shoe. I want y'all, because that Raging Bull is just so different. It's so fire. The colors is fire. Obviously, I love the Jordan 5s. I don't know, I have some other pretty nice pairs of Jordan 5s. I just love Jordan 5s, you know. So, let me know. Yeah. 12 years. Yeah. Early pair, 12 years. Ask your plug if your plug can do that. Or go buy a Mark Cakes shirt, markcakes.com. But ask your plug if he can do 12 years. If he gets his early pairs from 12 years ago. Come on, man. We here early. Jordan's son ain't even. Whatever.